I'm going to do in this video is go over how to edit, enable, and disable the special hours pop-up on the website. It's very simple. We drop down this website settings, go to pop-ups. That gives us a list of our pop-ups. We can also create new ones, of course. And we'll see this special hours pop-up is inactive because we don't need it right now. We can open it if we click on it. That will open the editor. We have this Memorial Day, and we have July 4th, just a couple days that are kind of coming up. Memorial Day's passed, but that's fine. We can edit this, of course. So if we want to remove Memorial Day, it's just like our regular Square Online editor. We're just going to go through here, and we're going to remove it. No problem. I have this formatted very simple. It's just one line of text with some spaces and symbols to visually separate it, because we don't have a lot of control over like a fancy layout or anything like this. And this layout persists on the web page. And so when we click that X, it's configured every time they come back, it's supposed to display again. Sometimes it's a little finicky and it doesn't quite do that, but that's what it's configured to do at least. And so basically this is persisting. Now if we click publish right there, that'll publish it to the site. We're just going to click close, and that will save our changes. We'll see. Oh, it didn't. We have to click do publish to save the changes, but we don't really want to publish it. So we're going to just close it. Now we can also publish it from right here. If we click publish, it asks us to confirm. We can see that over here as well. If we click publish, it asks us to confirm. Now note that when you publish this, any content that's in the website editor will also be published. So you can make changes in the regular editor and not publish them yet. But then once you publish a pop-up or publish the page in general, it'll publish everything. Just so you're aware. We'll X out of this, we'll close this up, but it's very simple. We can go ahead and publish that, tell it to publish so we can see the example, tell it to publish, and then we will go to the site, Rise Coffee, and we should see that pop-up display. It doesn't appear it's displaying correctly, so let's make sure we have our settings configured correctly. We'll go ahead and open it up. We're going to do edit and make sure we have our settings configured correctly. Settings, here we are on website entrance, and we do have all of these options of how we want it to display, but I have it configured for once a visit, and I have it displaying again and all of that. Okay, beautiful. Now we'll do publish, and I will also try logging out or doing it in Incognito, because sometimes that causes issues, of course. Here it is. Just my cookies are good, the way that my cookies are. We have our special hours. Now, of course, I'm going to unpublish that because those aren't necessarily accurate hours. And the way we do that is we click this three dots. We do remove from site, which sounds like it's going to delete it, but it doesn't. That's what the delete button does. We do remove from site, remove, and then that actually just changes the status right there to inactive. And then if you want delete, of course you can delete it right there. Now we'll pull this up in Incognito again and make sure it went away. It did, very good. And we will call it done. So publish, and we can edit. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. And if you're tired of doing this alone, Appaloosa Tech is here to help. We've created countless stunning Square Online websites for our clients that go beyond basic templates and simple customization. In addition to Square Online websites, we offer menu building, system build-outs, on-call expert support, custom integrations, consulting, and training. If you have a Square project you'd like us to work on, reach out. Consultations are always free.